Hello guys, welcome back to Wikidep channel. In this video we are going to learn orthographic projection stepwise. I have this software to visualize all the views properly. I will take one numerical and we'll draw stepwise the views, front view, side view and top view, all the views properly. Now in exam, in question paper, the question will appear like this. Figure shows pictorial view of an object. Draw following views. First, front view looking in the x direction. Second, side view looking in the y direction. And third, top view. Now if you see here, they have shown the direction, x direction and y direction. In x direction, we have to stand this side and observe the front view and draw front view. In y direction, we have to stand here and observe this view, side view, and draw it. Then from top view, from top we have to observe and draw the top view. Okay, so as this diagram is drawn on 2D plane, it is a little bit hard to imagine the exact view, exact front view, exact side view and exact top view. So to make it easy, I am going to use the software. So I can show here the same object. I can show you exact its front view here. Okay, front view, how the front view looks. Okay, then side view, then I can show the top view right here. So we can visualize properly here with the help of this software. So this is going to be special in this video. I'm going to explain stepwise procedure. Okay. Now we have to observe this diagram first. We have to find out the total length of this object, total height of this object and width. See, in front view, now this is in x direction, it is a front view. In front view we get two dimensions, height and the length. The total length of this object is 45 mm and the total height, now this 15 plus 15 means 30. Okay, I will write here the total length of this object is 45. Similarly, total height is 30 and total width is, now width, see width here, you can see width is 30. Now we know that the first step is we have to find out the dimensions, length, width and height. So we did it. Now then we have to draw. Now we are going to solve the solution, front view, side view and the top view. Okay, for that we have to draw two axes. Use 2H pencil using red color, 2H pencil. Okay, so draw two axes on your sheets, y-axis and x-axis, like this. Okay, then what we have to do? Then we have to decide the views. Now we have 4 quadrants, right? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, when we see from this side, now this is front view. Okay, according to first angle projection method, when we see from this side, its projection will appear at the back side. When we see from our right hand side, its projection will appear on left hand side. Similarly, when we see from top, its projection will come on the bottom plane. Okay, so first of all we have to observe from side. So this is our right hand side and its projection will come on left. So in second quadrant we are going to draw side view. Okay, right hand side view. We are going to draw right hand side view. Okay, in first quadrant we are going to draw. Now I will put here this somewhere else. Okay, so if side view is in second quadrant, then always remember, always we decide first side view where it comes. Once it is decided, now it is coming in second quadrant. So beside that, on top only, beside that, in first quadrant now front view will come. Okay, so here in first quadrant front view will come. Okay, now below the front view top view will come. Okay, here somewhere top view, all right. Okay, so now we have decided the views where views are going to appear. Now in first quadrant front view will come. We have to look in x direction. In second quadrant right hand side view will appear. We have to stand here and observe perpendicularly. Now what is meant by ortho? Ortho means perpendicular. We have to stand here and we have to observe perpendicularly to this object and draw its side view here in second quadrant. And in fourth quadrant we have to draw top view. We have to observe from top. Okay, so we'll take the help of the software and we visualize it and we'll try to draw stepwise. Okay, now to make it easier, what we'll do, we'll draw the boxes. Okay, the boxes. Okay, with the help of this length, height and width. So in front view, always remember, in front view we'll get length and height of the object. Okay, now I will show you. This is our, suppose this is x, in x direction our front view is there, right? So length and height, this 15 is height and this line is showing the length. So in front view we always get length and height, in side view we always get width and height, and in top view we get length and width. Okay, so accordingly we'll draw boxes. Before drawing boxes we have to give some space to this axis. Okay, our drawing should not appear on this axis. So what I will do, I will use different color using 2H pencil only. I will draw a line here. Like this. I will tell you the dimension, how much we have to take. Okay, what I did, I made a box here. The distance from this y-axis, it is 1 centimeter. This box is having 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and what I did is I'm going to give space from this axis 1 centimeter, from this axis 1 centimeter. Okay, so uniformly I will give the space here. So draw this box with 2H pencil, having from this origin, if you see, it is 1 centimeter, upside 1 centimeter, left side 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, we have to draw a box like here, a box like here, a box like here, a box like here. Okay, 4 boxes will come here, 4 square boxes. Okay, now it will help us for giving space for dimensions, for giving it will look good. Okay, it will help us to be away from this axis. Okay, now suppose this is our origin here. We have to always work from away from the origin. Okay, now we'll go forward. Now see, I have to draw front view here in this first quadrant. Okay, so for this first quadrant I need to see the length and height. See here, length and height. The total length of this object is 45. So what I will do, I will take again 2H pencil only, and I will draw a line of having from here. I will start the drawing 45 mm. Suppose this is 45. Okay, then the height of this object is 30. So I will go 30 up and I will close this. What I am trying to do is I made a box. So this will be the area for front view. Okay. Similarly, what I will do, I will extend, or I will draw the width this side and height this side. So we will get width and height here 30 by 30. I will draw a 30 mm line from here to here. Suppose this is 30 and height will be 30, and I will close this. Okay, this is for side view, and similarly I will make another box. Now what this box indicates, this square indicates, is this will be the border. So that view will appear in this box only. That view will not cross this box. Okay, it will help us. Now I am going to draw the box, the limit box for top view. Okay, from here in top view I will get length and width. Length is 45, width is 30. Suppose this is 30, and I will close this box. So I make three boxes. Okay, so now this corner points helping me to not come on this axis. Okay, so suppose this is y axis, it should not come on y axis, and this is x axis. Okay, so now the free space, in this free space we have to show the dimension lines. Now I made three boxes here to appear side view here, front view here in this box, and top view here in this box. Okay, now we'll observe this diagram from x direction. I will show you this same diagram here. If you see this, what they said, from this direction it is a front view. Now see, if you see perpendicularly to this object, we will get exact front view. Okay, so this face is visible in front view, this face is visible in front view, and this face. Now as this face is slanting surface, inclined surface, it will be visible from top view and front view. Okay, now what I will do, I will give some color to this, so it will be easy to observe. Now this face is visible, this face is visible, this face is visible. Okay, now blue color is our front view. Always we have to observe in this way. So if you see, all colors will match. So that is front view. So here in this image, it is not possible to tilt it. Okay, so we have to make our neck tilt and observe from this x direction. So it will be now this face will be visible, this face will be visible, and this face will be visible. Okay, so we have to draw only visible outlines. We don't have to draw this face, the shaded face. We have to just draw the outlines. So if you see here, we have to draw these four lines, this square box, then this square box, and then Now it looks like here a rectangle, but when we exactly see from front, it will become a square. Okay, I will show you here front. Now see, it will become like this, a square. So to view a front view properly, we have to adjust our eyes perpendicular to that view. Okay, we have to see perpendicular. It will become like this, a single color will come, because these three faces are visible in front view, this one, this one, and this one. The rest, this face is visible in top view, similarly this, and now these two faces are visible in side view, and this one is also in side view. Now what we have to do, we have to start the front view stepwise. Okay, now see this corner. This corner will be a start point for us. Now see here, this corner, if you see, this corner is my start point, this one. We have to put this box here. We have to imagine this front view, see this front view, the complete front view. We have to bring, keep it here, bring it and keep it here in this box. So what we'll do, we'll first observe this square box, only this square box. Now that dimensions, what are the dimensions for this square box? If you see, the height of this square box is 15 and the length of this square box is 15. So we get length and height. So we have to draw 15 mm line here with H pencil. We have to just dark it. Then 15 here, then 15 here, then 15 here. Okay. So with the help of software, we can easily visualize the front view. So I will show you here how our front view looks like. See the complete blue color. Then I will show you with no lines. See, this square box is visible, and then this square box and this square box. What is happening here? When we make a 3D view into 2D view, one dimension will miss. Okay, this dimension is going to miss in front view, so it is not visible. So what will happen? This line and this line become coincide like this. Okay, so this face is visible in top view, so it will not going to visible in front view. Okay, so this line and this line will be coincide when we see this object perpendicularly. Okay, so see here front view. So actually these are two lines are there, but it will look only one line. So we have to draw this view, exactly similar view here. Okay, now see how to start. This is our start point for front view. Okay, now here it is a start point. Now from here I will draw a 15 mm line with the help of H pencil. Till now I have used only 2H pencil. I am going to use H pencil. What I will do, I will dark, I will change the color, wait, I will use black color now. I will draw a 15 mm line, straight line, by measuring with drafter, then 15 mm this side, then 15 mm this side, then I will close. Okay, I have drawn this square box here. Similarly, if you see, this line is not going to visible. This line is not going to visible, as this line and this line will coincide. If you see here, this line. Okay, so we have to draw this above three lines with same dimensions, because if you see this line having the height of 15 mm and this line having the width of 15 mm, length of 15 mm. Okay, 15 by 15 का square है. Now see, this line and this line will coincide again. So this line will not be visible. I will show you. See, this line and this line will coincide. This line and this line will be coincide. So it will not visible when you see perpendicular. Okay. Wait a minute. Front view. So this is the view we have to draw there. Now this is the start point. So this is the start point. We have to extend it for 15 mm. So I don't have to measure it. The rest will be 15, because now see, I have made a square box here, limit box here, the red line. So we should not cross this line. So the total height is 30. So the remaining will be 15 only. Okay. Just I will extend this line till this end, again 15, then I will close. Okay. So after that we have to draw. Now if you see again this object in this way. Okay. Now this line is visible from front view, this line is visible from front view, this line is visible, and this line is also visible, and this line. But what is happening here? This line and this line is getting coincide. So we don't have to draw this. We have already drawn these two lines. Now we have to draw this line and this line. Now what happens? Now actually this is a slanting face, but when we see it perpendicular, it will become straight. Okay, now see. Now it is a slanting. Now see, it will become straight. Okay. So this is total 45. We have to minus 15 mm, then it will become 30. So this line, this particular line will become 30. Okay. So we will draw here 30 mm line, and the rest will be 30 only, because total 45 I have drawn. This is 15 already I have drawn. So the rest will be 45. Then just I have to draw this another line. Okay. Total height. Then I have to close this. From here I have to close this. This line I have drawn here. Then I have to close this. Now see, this view and the software view is similar. See, one square box, second square box, and third square box. Our front view is completed. Now what we have to do, we have to project all the horizontal lines in our left side and all the vertical lines the downside with the help of 2H pencil. Okay, so this line is already projected. I have to extend this with the help of drafter till here only. Then this is also extended. Now I have to extend this, already extended. I have to extend this till this line. Okay. Now these extended lines are called as projection lines. Now what we have to do? We have to imagine side view now. The second question is side view looking in the direction Y. This is side view now. Now see, if we see this object in software from side view, exactly from side, what will be visible? This face will be visible, this face and this face. Okay, what I will do, I will change the color. I will give the red color. Now see, if we observe it perpendicularly exactly, so only red color will appear. So we are observing perpendicularly, only red color will appear. It means this face and this face, these three triangles are visible only from side view. Okay, so we'll start drawing from this point stepwise. Now see, now we have to draw this triangle here. We have to pick it and draw it here. So this will be the start point. Now this corner will be the start point for side view from here. See, this is 30. We'll draw it 30 here. I will show you the complete side view in the software. Right hand side view. See. And now see. First I will draw this line, then I will draw this line, then I will close this line with the help of this line, inclined line, then I will draw these two triangles stepwise. Now see, this is the start point here. What I will do, I will take H pencil and this is 30, right? The total height I have already given to this box, 30. So this is 30. Just I will dark this line. Then this is 30. I will just dark this line because this is also 30. Then I will draw this inclined line here. Just I have to close these 2 points. Okay. With the help of H pencil. Now this is the triangle. If you see here, this is the triangle. Now what we have to do, now we have drawn this face. Okay. Now we have to draw this face and this face. If you see, this point and this point will coincide. So from now this is the point, this point. From here we have to go up 15, right? So this projection will help us. This is 15 only. So from here I will go 15 up. Okay. I don't have a measure now. 15 up. Then this is 15. Just I have to close it because it is 15 only. So that limit box and the projection line will help me to, not to measure, okay, with the scale. Now this point is this point here. Just I have to go straightly upside till the border line, till the limit box, this red line. So I'm here now. From here I have to draw this line straight. Just I have to close it because it is also 15. Now my side view is ready. Now what I have to do, I have to project these vertical lines in top view. How is that possible? What I have to do is I have to take H pencil and with the help of protractor I have to measure 45 angle in this quadrant. Okay, now in these two lines there should be angle of 45 degree. Okay, if you mismatch it, then dimension will be either increase or decrease in top view. So this should be properly drawn with 45 degree with x-axis and 45 degree with y-axis. Take the reference of x-axis or y-axis, whatever as you wish. Okay. Now what I have to do, like this line, this is already projected in top view. I have to do same thing with this line also. This vertical line I have to project it on this inclined line. Then I have to take it in top view. Okay. Then this line is already appeared in top view. So this is this line. Okay. Actually I am not drawing with this proper measurement, so it is little bit inclined. That is not an issue. If you draw with the scale, it will not be like this. So I am drawing without scale here. So it is going cross, but actually we have to go straight like this. Now initially I have drawn this limit box here. Okay, so actually I don't need this line here, but I have to project here. So to check is it wrong or right. So I don't have exact proper scaling here, so this mismatch will happen here. Okay, so actually this line should be straight. So what I will do, I will try to erase this. Okay, then I will extend this. Oh, it's not a problem. I'll extend it. Okay, now I have extended it. So this is the proper method, but as if you take proper dimension, then it will be good and on your sheet. You will not get such a problem on your sheet, as you are going to draw all the things with the help of instruments. Okay, we have to observe top view now. Okay, so what will be the what will actually visible from top view? See, I will use red color. So this box will be visible, this box will be visible, and this face, complete this face will be visible from top view. We'll see it in software. If you see here, now you have to see top in this way. So this face was visible in front view, and it will be visible in top view also. See, this face, and this face. These three faces are visible from top. We have to observe like this, perpendicular. Now see, what is visible? What is actually visible here? This square box, and this square box. So front view and top view exactly similar for this object. Now if you see, now see, this is my start point. Now I have to pick this and draw here. Okay, so it is a 15 by 15 square. So this is 15, same as like this, because these are the two projection lines. If this is 15, this will be 15. Now this line is 15, so hence this will be 15. This is 15, this is 15. I don't have to measure now, I have to just imagine from front view and from top view. Now this line is 15, means this line is also 15. So this exactly we are projecting side view from this line, projecting from side view to top view. So if this is 15, this will be 15. Now we have to go down for 15. So this is 15. Then 15. Then we have to close. Okay. So we have drawn this square box. Now this is visible. What happens? This line and this line will be coincide. So remaining 3 lines we have to draw. That is, we have drawn here. Okay. Now this line is visible. So we'll draw here. We have drawn this. So this line is coinciding with this line. Now we have to draw this line. This is how much? As we drawn it, front view, same as top view. Then we have to draw this. As this is inclined, but in top view it will become straight. So this is that line. Then we have to close this. Now these 2 lines will help us. This line and this line will coincide when we see exactly, no, this line and this line. For front view, this line and this line will coincide. From top view, this horizontal line and this inclined line will be coincide. Now this line and this horizontal line will be coincide. I will show you here. Software. If you see here, now see this line and this line will get coincide when we see like this. Okay. Similarly, this line and this line will get coincide. Okay. So we have to just draw one line. I have drawn this line and this line. Hence I don't need to draw this complete line. If you see here, already it was drawn. Rest of the 2 lines, 3 lines I have drawn here. Now see, if you see, front view and top view is similar for this object. Okay. Now we have drawn all the views properly, but we have not mentioned the dimensions. But without dimension, this diagram will not tell anything to the reader, so it is incomplete. So we have to show minimum dimensions. Okay, so that's why we have given some space here. This space we have to use. Now again I will take the H pencil, but I will change the color. Okay. Now we have to show the dimensions properly. This box, how much is this box? I have to show arrow. Okay, then I will write here on this, above this dimension line, it is 15, right? It is 15. Okay. Similarly, I will show only this 15. Then I will show here to this line, complete length of the object. Then I will write total length of this object is 45. I will write 45. Okay. Then now 2 dimensions are not sufficient. We have to show another 2 dimensions. Now here I will show the height of this object. Total height of the object is 45, 30, right? So I have to write 30 like this. Then I have to show arrow. Without arrow, you should not show the dimensions. Okay. Now we have to show one more dimensions here. That is this one. From here to here, this is how much? This is 15. Sorry, we have to write like this. 15. Okay. Now front view, we have covered all the dimensions. Now see, we should not give extra dimensions. Now I haven't showed the dimension for this line because if total 45, if total length is 45, if we minus 15, it will become 30. Now the total height is 30. If you minus 15, then it will become 15. So we should not show more dimensions. I will show here arrow. Okay. Then I have to observe side view now. Now if it is 30, then it is 30. So I don't have to show dimension to this line. Okay. If it is 15, it means this is 15. This is 15, this is 15. So no need to show dimensions to vertical lines. I have to show dimensions to horizontal lines. Okay. Now I have to write dimensions here. That is 15, it is 15. Okay, this line, and I have to show dimension to this horizontal line. Only two lines. Now I will show arrow. Proper arrow should be drawn here. Now the dimension, how much it is? 30, right? Then come to top view. If we observe this, now if it is 15, it is 15. If it is total 45, total 45. If it is 30, it is 30. So we should not show dimensions to horizontal lines. Here we have to show dimensions to vertical line. Okay. So similarly, I will draw here a dimension line, then arrow, then I will write 15 here in this fashion. Now I have to cover this line, this only line. this is how much? If it is 30, it will be 30. It is hard to draw with the mouse arrow. Now I would write here 30. Okay, now we'll see our object. Now these are the sufficient dimension here. So this is expected. The examiner will expect this from you. Okay, so I hope you have seen this video till now with some patience. I'm thankful to that, and I hope that you understood the orthographic projection with the help of this object. Okay, this object. Now I will erase this. See, so what is expected from you in the exam is these three views, as they have mentioned in question. Front view looking in the x direction, this will be the front view looking in x direction, side view in the looking y direction, this is the side view, and this is the top view, right? So with proper dimensions you have to draw this, then you will get out of marks. If 10 marks are given for this, you will get 10 marks. If you miss something, then your marks will be lost. So you should not mismatch these views. You should not draw front view this side, you should not draw side view this side, because they have mentioned the direction x and y. If they haven't mentioned, then it's your choice. But always think about the y direction. It means side view. If side view is from right side, side view will come at your left side, means in second quadrant. If this will be a side view, then it is our left hand side, then this view will come on our right side, means it in first quadrant. Okay, so thank you very much for your patience. I hope you understood. See you in next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.